Wanna know how to fix your login error on your Snapchat app? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So let's get started. Today, I'll teach you 3 of the ways to fix your login error. The very first one is to go to your App Store or Play Store and then tap on the search bar. Search for the particular app. This is the particular app that I have been searching, and even you too. You can see that you'll get an option of update on the right next to Snapchat if your app hasn't been updated yet. Tap on update on the right and wait for the app to get updated. So you can see that it has been updated, and this could be the very first reason of you facing the login error on your Snapchat, and this would definitely help if it is. But if it doesn't help, the second one is to go to the settings of your phone and then scroll down, tap on apps, tap on manage apps, below system app settings, tap on the search bar on the top, insert your Snapchat, tap on the particular app. On the bottom, you have 3 of the options, that is force stop, uninstall and clear data. Tap on clear data next to uninstall. Tap on clear cache below clear all data. Tap on OK. This could be the very next reason of you facing the login error. And after clearing all of the cache, your app is all fresh and healthy to use it back again. So this will definitely help. And the third one is to reinstall your app by uninstalling it. For that, tap on the app for a few seconds and drag it to the uninstall part. Tap on uninstall if you want to get it uninstalled. And then you can go back to Play Store and search for the particular app and then get it installed back again. So this is it. So I have told you 3 of the ways to do it. I'm sure it will definitely help. So go back and try all of the 3 ways. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.